And one thing I would love to try out with this strategy is just to start the rest of the attack way earlier. Like I could start the log launcher and hero dive or hero charge right now. Although doing the fireball first is probably a good idea because it also sets up a funnel on one side for the hero charge, so I think he should be fine, yeah. What am I fireballing here? I hope the bomb pipe is not going to be too bothersome. I haven't really... Like, how much damage does the bomb pipe do to the warden? We will see now, I guess. Okay, it does quite a bit of damage, but it alone isn't that big of a deal. Although, I have to be careful with the healers. Otherwise, I'll have to use a... Oh my god. No! How did he lose so much health? What happened? This is bad right now. Oh my gosh. Do I have to use another? Oh my god. That's so annoying. What's going on? Is it... Are my healers all dead because of the furnaces? Bro, this is so annoying. What is going on? What the heck? What? Oh my god, what was that? Just what was that? I'm also close on time, so yeah, this attack is lost. What was that? Holy moly, what was that? Oh my god. Place down the royal champion far back, so maybe the electro boots would heal them up a bit, but didn't work. I think the second part of our attack was okay, like the hero charge, the log launcher. But yeah, obviously that one charge was a mess. I'll have to rewatch that, whatever happened there. Okay, so far so good. The Headhunter took care of the Royal Champion. What happened after this? What level is the bomb pipe? I can't see right now. What happens now? So we have the bomb hive doing some damage, but so far it's still okay. It's not the end of the world at all. I should have maybe like used the ice block spell at this point. Yeah, after the fire spitter is gone, use the ice block spell and then just make... Yeah, that would have been good. And then I could have recalled the warden there. That would have been good, yeah. So what happens now? So this one bomb makes so much damage alongside the bomb hive and the multi-target Archer Tower, huh? I didn't know these bombs make so much damage. Like, I didn't know they do so much damage to the warden, honestly. Like, that was so unexpected. And then something also triggered the furnace, like the clan castle, probably like a bugger. And then obviously the furnace, the fire mites had to go on the healers alongside those. Oh my god, alongside those bombs. Yeah, the furnaces, the fire mites just jumping into there. Ugh. Disgusting. Okay guys, never mind what I said and did before in terms of switching out the Angry Jelly for Sneezy and putting in one Ice Block spell for one Totem spell. I reversed that change. The last attack with the buggers triggering the clan castle really annoyed me. So I put the Sneezy back on the Archer Queen. I'm gonna use the Angry Jelly again. And yeah, maybe use it alongside the furnaces in order to circumvent the skeleton traps. Just switching things around until I find something that I really like. Strange base. Yeah, strange base. I don't know really what to attack here. I wanted to attack maybe fireball the bomb hive, but in order to get there, it's like a far away. Or fireball the center, the core, but then I would have to do all kinds of, like, make all kinds of buildings invisible. I'll just try this and see where it goes. Maybe this is a bad habit of me, by the way. But I have the habit of, like, at this point, I still haven't decided what I'm gonna fireball. Like, I think maybe better players or something would decide. They'd already know what they want to fireball. I have no idea. I'm just, like, improvising. I just want the one to walk, and then whatever is somewhat close and a good target, I'm gonna fireball that. What can I fireball here? Maybe just something on the left there, so we get like the ricochet cannon and the super wizard tower. I'm actually fine with that, probably. Do I need something here? Or is the one fine? I think the one is fine. I'm just gonna fireball this now, because it's... Oh, I thought it would get the multi-target archer tower, okay. No, I want to place the headhunter, not the log launcher. Oh my god. Okay, that's strange, but in that case, I'm gonna recall him. I'm gonna improvise now. That was not the plan. I want to place down a headhunter, not the log launcher, for fuck's sake. In that case, I'm just gonna improvise. Holy hell. I mean, this is not looking that bad here. I mean, I don't know yet, but... Okay, let's just use this. Should slowly start to place down the furnaces. Okay, I mean, we do have the town hall and the core and everything, so that's good, I guess. But I think most of my other troops are dead. Oh no, can I save the royal champion? So far so good, yeah. We're doing a small royal champion charge here. I think time is a bit too close here. There's a ricochet cannon on the top right that I'm not gonna get with the furnaces, I think. Yeah, and there's like a Tesla on the left. Sadly, this is going to be a time fail, although. Like, it looks like a time fail. Although maybe the warden's gonna die here. But no, the rage spell is gonna... Interesting. What a strange attack. I wanted to place the log launcher, not the headhunter. Oh my gosh. Like, one mistake, one misclick, and the attack is just completely different to how you wanted it to go. So, yeah. But I'm kind of happy with how I improvised. I mean, I got 95%, almost a triple, pretty much a time fail, so I'm kind of happy with that. Still funny. Okay, I think this is going to be my last attack for this video. I hope we get a triple. And yeah, let's see. Maybe I'm just fireballing like the monolith there. Or the multi-target archer tower. Very easy fireball. We get good value. I think that's what I'm gonna fireball. And then I'm gonna do the log launcher from the bottom, probably. Place down the healers quickly. Okay, okay, it's looking good, it's looking good. No, don't die, don't die! Don't die! Oh my god! Oh my god, now I have to cry. I wanted to triple this attack, and now this is annoying. Obviously the healers focus on the full HP Royal Champion instead of healing the freaking Archer Queen that is right besides them. Thank you very much, healers. But look at these useless beings, man. Now they're getting killed by the Longshot, which they thoroughly deserve. Now I'm just pissed off at this point. I'm just gonna place a bunch of furnaces there to get the Town Hall. Which I hope they manage. I think they're gonna manage, honestly. I have trust in the furnaces. We also have the... yeah, those other things. Those minions. So yeah, we're just gonna try to get good percentage here. Okay, that's it. I used up all my spells. Yeah, the multi-target Infernos are just gonna harass the Fire Mites. Should I end the attack already? I don't think we're gonna get anything. Yeah, there's really nothing they will get here. So yeah, that's really not how I wanted it to go. Oh my god, man, the Warden dies so quickly. Okay, I know I said it was the last attack, but I don't want to end the video on this, so I'm actually gonna do one more attack. Okay, let's get into the last attack. I don't care if I 3-star or not, this is going to be the last attack, but I want it to be a proper attack. Like, if I fail, let it be like a time fail. Like, okay, what am I fireballing here? That monolith looks good, very good, yeah. One of the disadvantages with the Angry Jelly is how he rushes into everything. I mean, that's what got him killed last time. That's what might get him killed here too. It looks dangerous already. I think I'm just recalling him. Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so annoying how quickly everything happens. Like, for a freaking millisecond you don't pay attention. You know that he's going to get into danger, but nonetheless he just dies within a freaking second. Oh my god. But gladly he did not die, so that's good. Oh my god. This is stressing me out, genuinely. Like, Warden charge attacks, it's stressing me out. Okay, yeah, okay, I have a problem. I want to do the log launcher from the left, but then they might join up with the rest of my troops, like the Warden. That is an issue, but I don't really... I mean, I could do the log launcher from the top, I guess, more. But I don't get as much value there. I still have a bit of time, like it's okay that I haven't decided fully yet. Yeah, okay, we're gonna do it a bit from the top actually. Oh, he's dead. Oh no, 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 no. No, 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 please don't die, okay. Okay, so much for that. Just wanting to take your focus away for 1 second and it's over. It's gone, it's over. Well, like I said though, it doesn't matter, this is the last attack. The problem is here I might not even get the Town Hall. It looks bleak. Gonna rage everything up, I need to the Town Hall here at least. Don't let this be like a 1-star, please. Okay, we're getting the Town Hall. And this is not even Legends, this is Electro 33, so... And it's already so stressful, man. Well. Do we get something, like, do we get 80% at least? Not even that? Okay, I think we do. I don't think we're gonna get more than 80% though. Do we get this builder hat? I mean, it repairs itself. Freaking OP. Nah. Okay. I'm just gonna let the timer run out naturally. Okay. Crazy. These are crazy attacks. I mean, honestly, looking at this, obviously this is not ideal, not good, okay? I'm not happy with this, with only having gotten two 3-stars in these, like, 9 attacks. But it is what it is. It is difficult. I still have a lot to improve. I think even though I'm not seeing a lot of 3-stars, I feel like it doesn't accurately, like, entirely accurately depict what is going on, in the sense that, yes, I'm still messing certain things up that cost me the victories, that cost me the 3-stars, but at the same time, those are things that I can improve upon. I think, at least, things that I can learn to get better at. And I think, like, my foundation is already pretty solid, like, in terms of managing everything. I mean, still I'm getting overwhelmed, especially on these warden charge attacks. But I feel like I'm not that far away from getting more 3-stars, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not seeing many 3-stars, but I feel like if I just improve on certain areas, or just do less mistakes, I guess. If I just do less mistakes, then the success will come, or I will see more success, I will see more 3-stars. At least that's how it feels like doing these attacks. I feel like a lot of these times I'm doing mistakes that are avoidable, and if I learn to actually not do them, and if I become better at avoiding these mistakes, then I will get more 3-stars. Anyways, despite the results, I'm kind of happy with how everything turned out. I feel like we had some good attacks, some bad attacks, some big mistakes, some small mistakes that make a big difference. And that's all it takes in Electro 33 and Legends. But yeah, just gonna try to improve, and hopefully we'll see more 3-stars soon. So anyway, if you enjoyed this episode, please leave a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more content like this. And I hope to see you soon.